The Nordic hamstring curl with barbell is an excellent bodyweight leg exercise that primarily targets the hamstrings. To get started, kneel down in front of a loaded barbell on a rolled up exercise mat to provide extra comfort for your knees. The loaded barbell is used to firmly secure your feet in place. To ensure the barbell doesn't roll, add a pair of dumbbells in front of the plates. Place your calves and ankles under the barbell to firmly secure your feet in place. Your shoulders should be over your hips with your abs and glutes contracted, neck in neutral position with your chin tucked as if you were trying to hold an object in place. Once you're ready, bend your elbows with your hands in front of your body, then slowly lower your body towards the ground as you resist with your hamstrings. It's important to keep a straight line from your knees to your upper body. Using your hamstring strength, slowly go as low as you can, then once you hit failure, catch your body by landing on your hands. Reverse the movement back to the starting position by squeezing your hamstrings to raise your body back up, while first gently pressing the floor away from you with your hands to initiate the movement. Ensure your body is still in a straight line from your knees to your upper body as you reach the top of the movement. Repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.